Good morning, children. Okay. In previous class, we have learned about planets and blue planet. Okay. How many planets we have? We have 8 planets. Okay. We have 8 planets. What are they? They are, can anyone tell? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Very good. See, yesterday I have showed you solar system, no? Open your books, page number 1 and see the solar system here. See, this is our solar system, okay? In solar system, sun will be in the middle and all 8 planets surround the sun, okay? Already I have told you the names of the planets. Okay, see, here we have to write the names of the planets. They are given, the letters are jumbled and we have to correct the letter and we have to rewrite the name, okay? Hope you all written yesterday only, but see once again, okay? See now. First planet is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh one Uranus and eighth one is Neptune. Very good. And we have learned about the solar system and we have learned about blue planet. What is blue planet? Where we all are living? We all are living on Earth. And Earth is also called blue planet because on Earth we have 70% of water and 30% of land. See the picture here. Already yesterday I showed you, no? See page number 2. Okay, this is our Earth and it is taken from the outer space of the Earth. Outer space means above the Earth. Okay? See. Which color you can see here more? We can see blue color. So, we call Earth as blue planet. Okay? See, already I have told you. Ravi is an astronaut in the previous journey. When he went to the space, he took some pictures of Earth from the space. So this is the picture. Okay, and you can see which colors you can see here. We can see blue, brown, next green and white. Very good. And what each color represents? Already yesterday I told you this also. What each color represents? See, each color represents. Have you written this? Yesterday I have given you as homework. Okay, correct your answers if they are not correct. See, blue represents water. Okay, brown represents mountains, green represents land and white represents clouds. Okay. Now, any doubts up to here? Children, do you have any doubts up to here? No, okay, very good. See. Now, see the next one. We live on planet Earth. Already I have told you where we are living. We are living on the planet Earth. Okay. Earth is in the shape of a sphere like a ball. Okay. How Earth looks like? It is what is the shape of the Earth? The shape of the Earth is sphere and it looks like a ball. Okay. And imaginary lines that runs around the middle of the Earth from east to west is equator. Okay. The imaginary line. Imaginary. Why they call imaginary? Because on the Earth anything is not written. Just For our sake, we are imagining that in the middle of the earth from east to west, one line is passing through, and we call the imaginary line as equator. Okay, we call the imaginary line as equator. Now, it divides earth into two parts called hemispheres. Okay, I have told you one imaginary line is running from east to west, and it divides the earth into two parts. What are the parts names? Hemispheres. Okay, above the equator is northern hemisphere, and below the equator is southern hemisphere. Okay, see here, see in the picture here, see, you can see in the picture. See, this is the imaginary line running middle the earth called equator, and it divides the earth into two parts. Okay, it divides the earth into two parts. Above part is upper part is northern hemisphere because it is on the north side, and the lower part is southern hemisphere because this part is in the south side. Okay, now we learn about land masses. Look at the picture of earth taken by Ravi, the astronaut. Okay, see what they are saying. They are saying to look at this picture which Ravi has taken from the space. Okay, this is the picture which Ravi has taken from the space. Who is Ravi? Yes, Ravi is an astronaut. And who are astronauts? Can anyone answer? Very good. Astronauts means the person who travels to the space. Very good. Now, the parts that appear green or brown are the land areas or land masses. Okay, see, in this picture the areas with brown color and green color are land areas. We are living in green and brown colors, mountains and lands or land masses. Okay, plains, hills and mountains form the land masses on earth. Okay, plains means they are see, in villages we can see some crops are cultivated. No, they are plains, they are flat, so they are plains. Hills means kondalu. Okay, and mountains, these forms land masses. Okay, children. Okay, now tomorrow's okay, any doubts for you, Nana? Do you have any doubts? Okay, very good. See this. This is your homework for today. You have to write this. If you completed this in your textbooks, no need to write. If you don't complete this, you have to complete in your textbooks also. See, I'll give you the homework in Google Classroom. Okay, this is your homework for today. Write it in your books or rough books and send me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.